Yo, what's up, guys? It's me, Sonic.mp4, and tonight we have most possibly the scariest challenge I've ever done. That would be the Blazing Bird Challenge of the blazing variety. We got some chicken here. I've been told this rivals even the spicy hot spicy Dave's challenge. Now, thus, we must continue with it for today. Here's a picture of the sandwich that is in my hand. I'm sure you can tell. Now, I had to sign a waiver for this sandwich because it's apparently too swag for the common man. Well, I am no common man. I'm something worse. This is a French fry that I stole from Denny Sneakers. Thank you, Denny Sneakers. Now, this is the real sandwich. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, that was pretty good.